Start with the magic loop. Chain 1 and make 6 single crochet. Close the magic loop. Slip stitch on the first single crochet. Begin round 2, make 2 single crochet over each stitch. Round 3, chain 1, make 1 single crochet over each single crochet. Round 4, make 1 single crochet over each single crochet. Round 5, make 2 together over each stitch. After round 5, there will be 6 single crochets. Begin round 6, make 1 chain and 1 single crochet on the first stitch, 3 chain and slip stitch on the first chain, single crochet on the next stitch, 3 chain, slip stitch on the first chain, single crochet on the next stitch. It looks like this. Make total 5 such lilies. Make 14 chain. Skip 1 chain, slip stitch on the next stitch, single crochet on the next stitch, half double crochet on the next stitch, make 2 double crochet on the next 2 stitches, make 3 triple crochet on the next 3 stitches, make 2 double crochet on the next 2 stitches, make 1 half double crochet on the next stitch, make 1 single crochet on the next stitch, and slip stitch on the last stitch. 2 chain, slip stitch on the last stitch, then make single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, chain 1, make single crochet over each stitch all around, make it only in the back loop. At the top where we made 2 chains, make 1 single crochet in the 2 chain, 2 chain again, and single crochet in the same 2 chain space, and continue single crocheting over each stitch in the back loop. At the end also make 2 chain and slip stitch on the first single crochet. Begin next round, chain 1, make 1 single crochet in the back loop. Similarly, in the 2 chain loop, make 1 single crochet, 3 chain, and 1 single crochet. Continue crocheting in the back loop for the remaining leaf. At the end, in the 2 chain loop, make 1 single crochet, 1 chain, 1 single crochet, and slip stitch on the first stitch. Leaf is finished.